Hello friends, welcome to my YT channel online art. How are you friends? I hope so you are fine. So friends, I have the new bring website for you. This is the parrot, the best earning website token. It is the Ethereum meme token. Friends, if you buy this token, you are invest investment in future. So friends, without time wasting, we start our video. If you new on my channel, you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates. So friends, this token name is parrot token. Parrot token is the best Ethereum meme token. Parrot token. Well, if you missed meme hyped, it's just a good contains 99% chance to buying early. Join now. You join with MetaMax and MetaMax Unicorn, Metaverse and this memes. So friend, this is a Parrot token about us. You know what is a Parrot token? It is about us. Parrot token is custody family in crypto space. We are community drive token are based on the strength and community strongholder because world best community drive meme coin to Ethereum space. Well, if we missed a meme have to just good and we contain 99% chance to buying early. Now if you buy early you to 99% chance to good content. Join now. It is a the parrot token customized systems. So friend, it is a tokenized parrot of token information. Parrot token name is parrot token. Text for buy, sell and sell. 0% tax of buy and sell. It is our meme of token and it is a demo. So friends, the parrot token is a 0% tax on buy and purchase. It is Ethereum swap by frozen. The flows not connected. You pay Ethereum. You just pay to this buy one to token in this Ethereum. So friend, this is the contact to swap. Parrot token by how to buy to parrot token to create a wallet. Just a wallet, create to download MetaMask on your wallet on choice from the App Store, Google Play Store for free desktop user. Download the Google Chrome extension and by going to MetaMask in. So friend, how to get to something Ethereum to wallet, some Ethereum to wallet. Give Ethereum in your wallet to switch a parrot token. If you don't have it to Ethereum, you can try directly MetaMask transfer to another wallet to buy another exchange to send it to your wallet. So friend, it is go to Uniswap DEX content to Uniswap. Go to app Uniswap organize Google Chrome on the browser inside your MetaMask app. Contact your wallet pastry and period to parrot token address into your Uniswap selected PEEP and they confirm MetaMask spam store to the wallet in signature. Switch ETH from prior token to zero taxes on. You don't need to worry about buying to the specific lodge and they need to spelling during the same market availability. It is a finish now to get prior to the parrot token on your wallet hold the moon. So friend, parrot token is the parrot is not investment period. It is a parrot makes to promise and it's not responsible for any loss and error to your own risk. Now, as everyone knows, the cryptocurrencies have extremely high risk in result in total lose. Nothing is the store investment advice. It to click the Telegram to join our community and Twitter. So friend, you see our websites. If you like my video, comments my video and like my video. If you new on my channel, so friend, press the bell icon for new update and subscribe my channel. So friends, goodbye.